Yes, hello, Dr. Amara, Priyanka, and Yashika. Welcome. And today we're going to have a product test. Okay, so we have the mini wipes with me here, and I have other company wipes. What we're going to test is the nature, the strength, and all of these wipes. So I need your honest reviews on this. So here's a mini wipe. All right, it is said that the mini wipes are really very strong. Yeah, the strength is really good because firstly it's made of good pulp, right? So if I'm going to pull it horizontally, definitely it may tear, but if I just pull it vertically, it's not going to stretch. It will stretch, but it will not tear. It's really strong. So would you like to have a test? Yeah, just
Yeah, I think it's strong and durable, like long lasting also because of this feature, I guess.
yes. Okay, so now we would also like you to test the absorbent capacity of it. All right. So now I have this here with me, and there's this beaker, and if you squeeze this, you just see how much of water content drops in. You can hold this one, and I'll give you another one. This is a regular wipe, so you can just test. Just squeeze it, okay? Yeah.
So it's a water absorption capacity.
Yes, it's much better comparatively to the other brands. Yeah.
Still it's coming.
Still, it's coming. Yeah. So the absorption capacity is more, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think now that you've tested it for your
Other brands, the brands.
yes? Yeah. Okay. So now if you take this, okay, do you prefer fragrance in your baby wipes?
Because generally no fragrance, right? Even next ones are
Right. So let's just compare then. So here, doctor, this is the mini wipes, and this is the other ones. You can just smell it and feel it. What do you think?
Yeah, it has it.
It has, right? It is scented. Right? Just you can compare. Yeah. What do you think?
So this obviously has a very strong scent. This mini one, I can smell some medical kind of a smell. I don't know. That is not exactly fragrance.
Yes. That's because the nature, your water, running water smell, because it's made of wood pulp, okay? So being made of wood pulp means it is biodegradable and a sustainable product, right? So there's a strong smell. That is the strength, and that's the plus point, like the USB of these wipes. Yeah. Can I have that? Okay. Now we have a litmus paper test, okay? So yes. When you place this litmus paper on it, it should turn yellow. If it turns green, you know it is not pH palettes. Okay, so we'll do it together. Let's just try.
This looks like this here is green. Z.
So that's if you test the.
Wow, this is more green.
So basically, I think it's yours. The green, more of the green is coming here. Here you will not get it.
Okay.
Right? So that is what it is. See, you're getting more of the green on the other side. Here you will not get, which means it's not
Yes.
it's pH palettes. Okay. Wipes have to feel really soft on your baby, so your baby is not irritable and is okay with using it on any part. So just you can wipe your own skin and you can check. You can compare. Actually, I'll give you all both, because I'll give you one of this and one of the mini wipes.
Yeah, the feel itself actually is giving it to us, and when I'm actually applying it on my hands, it feels really soft. And this one actually I'm getting the elastic feeling. Yeah. There's actually difference.
So, just to wrap it up, have you used Mini Wipes before with your babies? Yeah, tried them, right? So, what would you have to say, like in one word, each of you can go? What do you have to say about the wipes, and would you recommend it to other moms?
That definitely I'm going to recommend to other moms because it's totally kids friendly and international safety standard is also there and very soft and soothing to the baby skin. So definitely yes for Mimi wipes.
Absolutely, I will recommend this for my baby. And also, I have used this for my baby. It's soft, it's gentle on the skin, and it's free from all the harmful chemicals which other wipes have. So, I will definitely recommend Mimi.
Yeah, and I just want to add on to few pointers that the reason why mini wipes are good is because they are having following all the safety measures. They are biodegradable and no harsh chemicals are involved. And yes, very importantly, they are pH balanced also. So which is very important for the kids for our kids' skin, right? So I definitely recommend mini wipes. I think you all should try now. Thank you.